is amazing.
Third drop.
And it's a legit fish.
I mean, I got something that's fighting me.
And on that heavy of tackle, is this close to the hotel?
I mean, come on. What kind of trip is this going to be? We'll get them. Yeah, we can totally get them. This is how greedy the triggerfish are in Bahia. Yeah, I'm on something big. Woo! Yeah, what is it?
We keeping them or letting them go?
Nah, we can keep them. What do you got there?
Oh,
What is it?
that's like a massive trigger.
That's a trigger? Whoa!
Huge trigger.
That's the keeper, I think.
Huge trigger.
Nice.
Trigger.
What ate your spotty on the way up?
Nice.
Yeah.
You like the skipjack, Dad?
Yeah. Alright, get your toes. Let's see. Oh, nice Korea.
Korea.
Yeah. Halibut from the shore on a murder weapon. Good job.
Hey guys, we're leaving Bahia de Los Angeles right as the sun rises. It was a wonderful time, both absolutely delicious and amazing fishing. The fishing was just great, and they said they haven't seen the skipjack in like this for 20 years. Hope to be back here soon.
There it is.
Woo! Dad, am I recording?
Nice yellowtail, dude.
Ooh, nice, good yellow.
Woo!
Okay.